welcome or welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be having an exciting topic lined up for you all. We will be delving into the art of crafting a professional LinkedIn profile. So here are basically 5 acts to create a professional LinkedIn profile and to improve your professional visibility in front of the world of recruiters, right? So let's get started with the video without skipping a single part. Watch till the end of this video. Stay tuned with me and we will be creating an exciting professional LinkedIn profile together. Before getting started, let me clear few things to you all, like why do we need a professional LinkedIn profile, right? You must be wondering that what's the need of having any professional LinkedIn profile, what the benefit of having a professional LinkedIn profile. So LinkedIn is basically a replication of your entire professional visibility. It will show like what are your skills, what are your achievements, from where you have studied, what are your grades, everything your LinkedIn profile will show. It's not any random social media platform. Like it's not about only posting things or posting like what do we do in Instagram, Facebook, those things. It's not similar to those, right? It's completely professional, so we should keep this stage a bit professional, and we will use it in such a way that recruiters will automatically reach us. So there can be various ways like how these recruiters can reach us by their own without us reaching to them. So there are basically 5 hacks, and using these 5 hacks we can enrich our LinkedIn profile. So let's get started with hack number 1. So the first hack is developing your own professional profile photo. So what do you mean by professional profile photo? Let's see it here.
So, what's basically a professional profile photo means? It's kind of a like it should be something of high quality image, and basically, your photo represents you. So, that should be something very polished, something appropriate, and something it should be in an approachable manner, right? And while talking about any professional profile photo, like it should have some kind of, you should be in a proper attire. It's not like you are giving your profile photo in any of your party wear or something. It should be something very formal. And the most important part, you can check it here even. See, in the background must not be something very vibrant, or not something like below average. It should be something proper, like it should, there should have some, you can say like, if you check for other person, even other famous person, I would rather say, we know, all of us know him very well. So if you check his profile photo, even check it out, you can say it same, see it here even. See the profile photo he is using, even he is using the same pattern of profile photo. Even for other individuals, if you say, check it out, see here, even we are all well known about him, even see his profile photo. So everyone of these professional individuals are using such kind of profile photo because profile photo represents us. Check the profile photo, like it should have proper lighting on your face. Your face should be properly visible. And if you need a detailed video on how to remove your background and add such kind of things, like such kind of yellow or any color you want in your background, let me know in the comment section. I will make a detailed video in that too, to help you out how to create a professional profile photo. I will help you in that also. Just let me know in the comment section. And now, coming to the like this cover picture that they are using in the background, this cover picture can have something like, you can see it here, he is using his YouTube channel, he is focusing his YouTube channel here, he is also saying something about him. So basically this cover photo will tell something about which kind of person he or she is, what he or she actually do. So this can be of like various types. Your cover photo can have, if you are having a strong lead code profile, you can just take a screenshot of that entire streaks you are maintaining in your linked lead code, and you can even give that as your cover photo. Or if you are in a like tier 1 or tier 2 college, which is like a well known college in our country, you can give that also in your cover photo. Or if like you are well professional about video editing or any skills you are having, you can just add that to in your cover photo. Or if you are associated with any well-known organization, that also you can add in your cover photo. Like you can check it out for him even. Check this out. He is using what he is using. He has been to any TEDx talk show like something, and he is just focusing his achievements here in his cover photo. So basically, in the cover photo, you can focus your achievements, your skills, you like what you are as a human being. That thing you can do as your cover profile photo. And in the main profile photo, that should be professional. And again, I am repeating, like if you need a specialized video in this aspect, let me know in the comment section. I will make another video in this, like how to remove your background, how to add this screen in your background. I will let you know that thing also. It's very simple, you can do that using AI also. So it's nothing to worry, it's really really very simple. Now moving to the next hack.
Now coming to the second hack. What is the second hack? We should have a proper title of our profile, LinkedIn profile, right? So what do you mean by proper title? So the title should be like very precise. It should be very precise but informative. So there we can give some things like it can be, if we are from a reputed college, we can mention that there. If we are doing any good internship, we can mention it there. Or if we are from a from any well-known MNC, we can mention it that. And if like we are having any proper skills, like if you are well versed about any of your skills like coding or anything, it can be, you can mention it there. If you are having a well mentioned streak in your lead code or any other platforms, you can mention it there. If you have any proper like achievements in any of the coding competitions or any hackathons or anything, it can be like if you are in a reputed position of any of your college clubs or anything, that can be, you can mention it there. So let us check how we can make this uh, professional title in our LinkedIn profile.
So now we'll see how we can, by using AI, we can create a very simple, precise, formal title for our LinkedIn profile. So we will just open Chat GPT. Here in the Chat GPT, what we're gonna do is you also open your resume. So in the resume, what we'll do, just entire copy the entire thing. Go to your Chat GPT. Here in the Chat GPT, you just paste your entire resume. After pasting your entire resume, just write here that uh, write me a precise title for LinkedIn within, we may say, 30 words. 30 is also too much for the title, but just for example, I'm showing it to you. Give this here. See, ChatGPT will itself like uh, give something from your own resume, and now you can just uh, modify it in your version. You can simply like add few things, delete few things as you want, but you will get an entire gist idea about how you have to create your professional title for LinkedIn, right? So you can see like what I need right now is I am seeking for full-time internship opportunity. So that will be replicated here in this portion. In this portion, it will be replicated here that yeah, I am in need of full-time internship. So if any recruiter is searching for that, he or she will get to know that yeah, there is a person named XYZ, and he or she is in search of this full-time internship. He or she wants this full-time internship, so they can approach them easily. This is one of the hack, you may say, for having a professional LinkedIn profile, that this title should be very much informative, precise, and formal. Now going to the next hack.
Now coming to the third most important hack. So the third hack is having a proper description of your LinkedIn profile. What do you mean by a proper description? Like your description should have few I would say important keywords. Those keywords are really important to like grow your LinkedIn account by 10x, I would say. Having those keywords will make you stand out from a huge crowd and make you separate, and recruiters will easily spot you out, right? So now let us see how we can create a description which will be full of keywords, and what is the importance of keywords, what is the importance of having those keywords. We'll check everything in details. Let's go.
So what we mean by a description is, check this out, about. Okay, so this is what we mean by the description of a LinkedIn profile. So what you can see here, I have written this, and in this description, what you're gonna write is it should contain each and every minute details about you. It will hold like everything about you, your projects, your achievements, everything should be written here. Like it should be a complete replica of what you are. Okay, so how to create this, like the word limit of writing this about or description, what you can say is, I guess, 2000 or 2500 words. So I know that may be hectic for some to write that, but again, AI is there to save us. How we can use AI and complete our about section and make this a professional one. Okay, let's check. So again, we'll just move to a chat gpt. Chat gpt here again comes as a savior. Here what we're gonna do, we have already check it out here. You will again go to your resume portion, just copy your entire resume, come to ChatGPT, give it here, and what you're gonna do is say to ChatGPT, write a about of my, sorry, LinkedIn profile in about 2000 words. So what now ChatGPT gonna do is it will write for you. You just no need to do anything. Check it out here. So ChatGPT will write it for you. If you want, you can copy and paste this one, and if you want, you can just edit few things here, delete few things from here, add few things to here as you wish. You can do anything you want with this format, but you can use it like as you want. You can use it. Okay. So this is one of third hack we can say of having any professional LinkedIn profile. Now coming to the fourth hack.
So now coming to the fourth most important hack, that is use of keywords. So using these keywords in right place in a proper manner is like the most important thing in every social media, I would say. So think of any social media platform, be it Instagram, then Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, anything. Everywhere there is no person sitting over there and handling all these things, right? It completely runs in algorithm. So if your keyword is fit in their algorithm, they will recommend your channel. This is how everything work in social media platform. So imagine of a scenario that any recruiter from any XYZ company is searching for any professionals who is proficient in Java. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna type proficiency in Java, and if this proficiency in Java or proficient in Java is found in your entire LinkedIn profile, be it in the title, be it in the about section, be it anywhere, your channel gonna stand out and your channel gonna be recommended to that recruiter. So he or she gonna easily find you out. This is how things work. So you have to be very precise about using this particular keywords like proficient in Java, problem solver, like he or she, like if I say that willing to solve any problems, problem solving, proficiency, like these things you can easily give, like efficient enough in XYZ programming language, or the skills, what skills you have, or even you can go to that uh, companies, the company you are targeting to, you can even go to their LinkedIn page, and you can check it in their description, like what are the things they are seeking for, and you can simply copy and paste those things, those particular keywords like proficiency, efficient, problem solver, seeker, like those words you can copy and paste from their profile to your profile in the about section or anywhere, like which can be easily visible to the recruiters. You can do that. So this is the fourth most important hack, I would say, for having a proper LinkedIn professional profile. Okay, so now coming to the last fifth most hack. So the last hack, I would say, to have a professional LinkedIn profile is, what you need to do, you have to focus your projects. There's a section in LinkedIn where you can just mention your projects, and also your certificates, achievements, everything can be shown there, right? So you need to have any proper project that you can show to the recruiters, and that project with proper website or GitHub account should be linked there. You should link your certificates, your any if you are having any proper achievements in your project, you should give it there. Even if you are having any like recommendation letter from any organization where you are doing your internship, you should post that, you should feature it in the features option in LinkedIn. These things you will keep on maintaining, and the most important thing is you should update your resume in the LinkedIn. You should post your resume in the LinkedIn and mention it in the featured section, and after mentioning that in your featured section, you will keep on updating your resume time to time. Do not like give, you have given any resume that already been a year or a two and you haven't updated that. Don't keep it in that way. Okay, so just keep on updating your resume, keep on updating your projects. Like suppose today I have uploaded a project in LinkedIn, and again after 2 or 3 months I have created on another project. So if that project is better than this project, try to update this project with that one, and keep on just updating your LinkedIn profile daily. So at lastly, I would say that, yeah, these were the 5 hacks, I would say. And the first one is maintain your profile photo and cover photo properly. Then maintain your, second one is maintain the title. Third one, I would say maintain the description. Fourth one is, yeah, use the keywords. And the fifth one is update your resume, achievement section, then your certificates, everything, like time to time update those things. And yeah, this is all how you can create your LinkedIn profile. So yeah, that's all for today. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, comment down, and yeah, thanks for watching.